All right, here comes the Hun, the F-100 Super Sabre. You pick up that, folks? Did you hear it? Did you see? Look, make sure when it comes by the next time. Built by North American Aviation, the Century Series, first airplane to the Century Series. Right overhead, here comes the Super Sabre. Scared me to death. Has been working for years with Dean Cutshall on this airplane, and he says unabashedly that the F-100 Super Sabre that he's flying right now would not be flying if it weren't for the work of his crew chief, Paul Swick. Inbound from the right. The engine, a J57 turbo jet engine. It did not. Considering it suffered from so many inherent problems, including landing characteristics described by one of the pilot who had 2,000 hours in the type as a controlled crash, the F-100 is still remembered with respect and some affection by an entire generation of aviators coming in from They had to modify it with a larger tail fin because there was an early test flight which killed one of the test pilots, and so it's got a much bigger fin, as you can see here.